This is an HDMI cable. It moves sounds, video and data from one place to another, often from a laptop to a TV or from a DVD player to a TV. It stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. The best thing about an HDMI cable is that it moves this data or sound or video or all at once with absolutely no compression, so you'd never ever lose quality. Before it, to get the same result, you would have had to use 11 different cables, and now you can do it all just with one. Think of it this way. It's like using a professional removal company and one big truck to move your most treasured possessions, or chucking them into 11 minis driven by monkeys. So, if you've got a TV, you'll probably need an HDMI cable. Unless you have a smart TV, but that's a different question.